All right, as promised, time for some Monday birthdays here, and we're starting in Riverton with Hudson McDonald, who turned the big number 1 on Saturday. Happy birthday, Hudson.
All right, and Ruthie Lee Good is celebrating birthday number 2 this year in Parsons.
And we've got Ellis Guffey celebrating birthday number 4. Happy birthday, Ellis.
And in Parsons, Levi and Lucas Wells are celebrating their 8th birthday today. Happy birthday, Levi and Lucas.
And in Lamar, we've got Ksenia Ponomarova celebrating birthday number 18. Happy birthday, Ksenia.
All right, and out in Sheldon, Missouri, Kelsey Westerhold turning 34 years old. Kelsey is the current Vernon County Public Administrator.
We've also got Joshua Westerhold celebrating birthday number 34 in Sheldon. And Joshua is also a captain with the Nevada Police Department. Happy birthday.
All right, we got a belated birthday wish out in Chanute, Kansas. Last week, Mike Triber celebrated birthday number 40. The big 40 for Mike. Hope it was a great one.
And we've got Krista Bond celebrating number 39 in Humboldt with all the love in the world from your favorite father and mother-in-law. Happy birthday, Krista.
All right, and Jason Hegwald turning 44 years old. Jason is in Humboldt, Kansas. Birthday love coming from his wife, Lori.
And we've also got Christopher Hansen celebrating number 58 in Carl Junction. And he just happens to be the dad of our KOAM Morning News production assistant extraordinaire, Gabe Hansen. So a very happy birthday to Chris.
All right, and Jim and Sherry Burke are celebrating their 56th anniversary this year. The Burkes are in Parsons, Kansas.
We've also got Joyce Coy celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Joyce is a Medical Lodges resident. Happy birthday.
In Pittsburgh, Ron Downing celebrating birthday number 76 this year.
And Lisa Lizotti celebrating a birthday in Joplin. Happy birthday and anniversary to all of you. Let's continue to grow this list, and Tanya knows exactly what you need to do.
That's right. You can send your birthdays that you'd like to have announced with all the details and pictures to birthdays@KOAMTV.com or birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com.
And of course, while you're at our website, you can sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some great deals from local businesses. All you need to do, and of course, a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just head over to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the Birthday Club today. All right, coming up when